Hello internet. So today we're going to fix Debian, okay? So a few minutes before I tried to log into my Debian and I just found that it was broken. So we're going to fix that thing using TimeShift. And I just want to make this thing a video. I just want to record the video so that if anyone needs this thing or maybe in future it may come handy. Okay, so first we need to download a Linux image. So in this case, I would like to download Linux Mint because Linux Mint comes with all the necessary stuff, you know, gparted, then TimeShift, all these necessary tools are pre-installed. And we need to download a software, something like Rufus or something similar like that. So once you've got these two, just open up this Rufus and yeah, make sure that you have this USB. Then select the Linux Mint ISO, which is over here on the desktop. So right, I think it's good to go. Whatever that is, I think I should select yes. Go with the recommended. Yeah, delete everything on the USB. And I'll just pause the video for a while. Okay, so we're all done. So hit close, and if you just get inside this pen drive, you'll see that Linux Mint is installed inside the USB. Now there might be other ways to use TimeShift, perhaps without downloading the Linux Mint ISO, but I really don't know how to do that thing. So by the way, I've got dual booted Windows 10 and Debian, so that's why right now we're inside the Windows 10. Okay, so we need to shut down the computer and go to the Debian. Okay, so the computer is shut down. Now, this part is a bit tricky. In my case, I'm using HP, so for HP, if you just press the escape button, you will get inside the BIOS. But if you like inside a different laptop, say Lenovo or Asus, then the instruction might be different, but they will be similar. Just Google it for a while, and I hope you'll find it. So let's go. I'll just turn on the computer and hit escape. There, see that? Okay, so these are the options. We need to get inside the pen drive. For that, I think that F9 boot device options and Debian, Windows, Ubuntu. Yeah, I think that's the one. Linux Mint. I'll just pause it. Okay, so we're back. So we are inside this USB, and that Linux Mint is coming from here. So now what we need to do is use TimeShift. So let's look for it. There you go, TimeShift. And I think that's the one. Okay, so these are the available options we have. 10, 28, 16, 45. You know what, I'll just select one. Hit restore, I think. Select next. Now these parts might take some time, so I'll just pause the video from time to time and let you know the important stuff. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna take some time. I'll pause the video now. Okay, so we're back. It took some like 3 minutes, I guess. So after that thing loads, you'll be prompted to this screen, and I think I should select next. um, what, there's no warning or disclaimer. I think I need to press next again. Okay, now it looks like it's restoring everything. I sincerely hope this fixes my Debian. I just don't want to go through the reinstallation, uh, all those creepy process again. I just want to get things done in the easy way. Anyways, I'll just pause the video again and let you know when it's over. Okay, so we're back. After that, that progress bar fills up, you'll be prompted to this final window. It says that restore completed if the restore system fails to boot. Basically, it says to try the second option. If this one has failed, try the second one. Okay, so let's just close this thing and just shut down. Okay, so it's shut down. I guess I should just open this thing up, and let's just turn on the laptop again. So that's my Debian. You know, you know what? I'll just pause the video. And Viola, we're in. So yeah, looks like it worked. So this is my humble desktop Debian. This is my Debian look, how it looks like. Now, you should. The important thing to notice here is that in this process, when you revert back to a previous time period, everything that you have installed after that time, there's a good chance that they're all gone. So in that case, you might have to reinstall some of the things again. Just check everything you installed. So yeah, I think we're done here. I hope this video, you liked the video, and I sincerely hope that this video helps you in case you're confused what to do when your Linux crashes. um, just follow this video, and I hope this will help you. Goodbye.